Have you ever wondered why almost everything in the cosmos is round and spinning? From the smallest planets to giant galaxies, nature loves spheres and rotation. It is all governed by two fundamental laws of physics: gravity and conservation of angular momentum. When a giant cloud of cosmic gas begins to collapse, gravity pulls every particle equally toward the center, creating a perfect sphere. But as these clouds collapse, any small initial movement gets magnified. Just like an ice skater spinning faster when pulling their arms inward, the collapsing gas spins faster and faster. This eternal rotation prevents objects from completely collapsing into a point, shaping planets, stars, and galactic disks. The universe isn't static. It is a giant, perfectly synchronized spinning machine. Why did physics choose rotation to keep reality stable?